Hello! For you frequent visitors, you'll notice I'm recording from a new location, here in the sub-basement of Fisher Hall, next to the boiler room. It turns out you should never ask your provost, so when are you just going to quit yapping and move to Cuba, you Che-loving commie bastard? Anywho, this video isn't about free speech, but an encouragement for you all to start using a new word, nutpicking. It can appear as an adjective, adverb, or noun, as in, I'm tired of hearing you nutpick, you nutpicking nutpicker. What does it mean? According to our future overlord, ChatGPT, it refers to a rhetorical tactic where someone highlights the most extreme, foolish, or embarrassing people from a group, the nuts, and presents them as representative of the whole group. This bad behavior is found on both sides of the political aisle, and really any time we want to disparage any group. Find a nut from that group, tell everyone what they've said or done, probably exaggerate it for effect, and suggest or even state explicitly that this typifies all members of that group. Everybody does it, and everybody hates when it's done to their own group. And it's clearly fomenting arrogance and self-righteousness among the nutpickers, and resentment and anger among the nutpickees. How can we minimize it? Easy. Just start calling it out by labeling it as such. You can use it in a nice way, even when observed by members of your own group, as in, okay, maybe we shouldn't be nutpicking. It can also be used to shame an interlocutor during debate. You, madam, are nothing but a shameless nutpicker. When expressed with venom and vitriol, it's even more fun. Shut the hell up, you nutpicker. It's easy to see then just how effective this can be when people tear apart our common humanity by pointing to the worst member of a group with the suggestion that he or she typifies everyone in that group. Call them nutpickers, shame them, and be done with it. I mean, who wants to be called a nutpicker, let alone a f***ing nutpicker? Just start calling out this bad behavior with this one simple word and watch the world become a little brighter. Thank you.